Previously, I did a thorough breakdown on keratin and specifically talked about NutraScience KeraGLO and why it's a great option if you're working on a beauty from within application. An ingredient I've featured in products dating back to 2021, KeraGLO is a premium hydrolyzed form of keratin with low ash that has undergone a unique method of processing that helps to drastically reduce the palatability issues. This unique hydrolyzed keratin contains about 92% free amino acids and about 8% dipeptides and tripeptides, which represent the building blocks of keratin. The hydrolysis breaks down the protein into smaller molecules to solve the issues with digestibility and overall absorption, and contains a specific group of amino acids that support skin and hair health, which is ideal in this situation. And this includes cysteine, lysine, methionine, leucine, histidine, arginine, proline, and glycine. The other nice factor here is that KeraGLO has several research studies supporting its benefits at low doses of 500 and 1,000 milligrams. One such study was conducted with 3 arms, a 500 milligram, 1,000 milligram, and a placebo group in a 90-day study. The group was conducted on women with a skin phototype of 1 to 4, and measurements were taken at baseline, 45 days, and at 90 days. There were some pretty cool key findings. First off, it was found that wrinkle depth showed significant decrease over baseline by day 45 in both the 500 and 1,000 milligram doses group by 5.2 and 7.4% respectively. By day 90, wrinkle depth had decreased even further to 9.4% and 12% respectively. It was also found that skin smoothness showed significant improvements over baseline by day 45 in both the 500 and 1,000 milligram doses at 3.4 and 4.6% respectively, and by day 90, this further improved to 6.4% and 7.2% respectively. These markers are part of something called skin proliphometry, which is a technique used to analyze the surface characteristics of the skin. It involves measuring and quantifying parameters such as roughness, texture, and topography of the skin surface. Skin moisture also improved over baseline by day 45 in both groups by 8% and 9.2% respectively, and by day 90, this improvement increased to 11.1% and 12% respectively. We all know that dry skin can feel uncomfortable, itchy, and tight, leading to discomfort and irritation, and while hydrated skin can alleviate these symptoms. Not only does hydrated skin help improve appearance, appearing plump, youthful, but moisture also helps the skin function as a barrier against environmental irritants and pollutants. It was also seen with skin that firmness improved in both groups by day 45 by 6% and 5.7% respectively, and further by day 90 by 9.8 and 9.7% respectively. Maintaining skin firmness is important for overall skin health and appearance. It can prevent sagging, wrinkles, and other signs of aging, keeping the skin looking youthful, smooth, and tight. Improvements for supplementation with KeraGLO also worked in regards to hair. The study found that in the hair brightness, it improved by over baseline by day 45 in both the 500 and 1,000 milligram dose groups by 24 and 35% respectively, and by day 90 improved by 42% and 61% respectively. While hair brightness may seem as a bit of a superficial marker, brightness of hair can serve as an indicator of overall hair health, and a dull, lackluster hair may suggest underlying issues such as dryness and damage. These improvements also apply to perception of the user as questionnaires collected after 90 days. The participants reported seeing significant improvements in hair strength and overall health when compared to the placebo group, with a 95% confidence of significant overall hair improvement. So, if you're looking to improve your approach to beauty from within, or are formulating and looking for a novel and efficacious ingredient to be a key player in your work, KeraGLO is a great choice, and the feedback from the product I put together, including it, is further testament. I'm going to be covering more on the beauty from within space soon, so until then, this has been Drew Peters, giving you the overview and the science supporting NutraScience KeraGLO.